Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach trading recap for the first trading day of the new year. We're back Tuesday, January 3rd. I'm going to let you guys know what we did in no particular time order from left to right. First trade in gold we had was a long at 8:51 Central Standard Time. Now we were in the middle of news, so I told everybody to take this at 11:55.4. 11:55.4. Got 8 ticks, told everybody to get into a break-even situation because we kind of wanted it to keep going because we had the news coming up and everything like that. So this was either 8 ticks or a break-even. No follow-through there because as we see here, the news came out, dumped this, dumped other stuff here, and didn't make a whole lot on that, up to 8 ticks max. When it came back up, we hit it again. This time it made up to 15 ticks. Same trade, just different time. At 9:57, made up to 15 ticks for most. Those that could hold it had larger size contracts. It did make it all the way up from 11:55.4 up to 11:66. So that made over 100 ticks. But most people unfortunately would have gotten taken out of this. If you're only a 1, 2, or 3 lot trader, larger size traders could have stayed in and gotten that beautiful trade. But up to 15 from average lot traders. And then on crude, we had a beautiful trade in crude. Told everybody when the market was right around here, I said that if the market got below 54.75, it was probably coming all the way down to flat and likely negative. I didn't think it was going to go quite as negative as it actually went initially, but we got short up here at the 54.75, 54.73 for some of us, 75. And you'll see even my targets here. This was flat. I had some intermediary targets here. And we went negative all the way down. I told everybody there was no material reason to get out of the trade. It just depends on if you ran out of contracts. Likely everybody was not in for 250 ticks, but we did this. We had an add-on here, so 54.75, and then we had another trade at 54.42. 54.42 or an add-on. Again, like I said, even with a reasonable trail, the thing never looked back. We did move our stop down over here. I told everybody to move it up to 40, and then when it got down here, I told them to move it up to 54.01. Then anybody who was in the trade had to get out here right around here. So that trade went, 250 ticks, but 200 before the room closed. We got about realistically, a lot of people were out here and a few people here, even with 2 or 3 contracts. So up to 200 plus ticks, and just a wonderful trade on that one. And we did have a short opportunity in the ES at 22.50. However, we were in the gold trade. If you look at the times, they were the same times. We did hit it because a lot of people got out of the gold trade or were shaken out there. We did try an RS again at 22.47.50, 47.75, and that one made a couple ticks there. That was after the candle was that. Let me get you the time, 10. After the 10:09 candle, that one made from 77.50, a couple points. We were looking for a test up higher, which we got, but after 2 points, we went to entry, so that one really only made about 2 points. Was thinking about hitting it again, but we were just pretty much done. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Great first day back, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow.